Hello, good morning traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for education and purpose. Make sure to do a research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Now let's starting off with the commodities market update. Overnight soybean oil for the March contract gained 0.66 to closing higher at 45.69. During last Friday's session, the market was closed yesterday on the holiday and has resumed trading today. Dalian active farmer contracts rose 30 points to close higher at 8426 on previous night sessions, while in Malaysia, the crop farmer futures advanced for a second consecutive sessions on Monday, driven by the strength in Dalian vegetable oil on bargain hunting. However, the weak palm oil export data during the January 1st to 20th period kept the gains. FCPO April month contracts rose 16 points to close higher at 4206. Tracking the positive performance in the river oil markets, the palm oil price is likely to remain hovering at the bottom of the downward channels. Now it's at the bottom and above the support range. Bigger picture still see the opportunity for rebound sales. However, in short term, we might see some technical buyings to coming in. Um, Looking closer to the short-term time frame, there was a support range at 4180 to 4185. If the price not able to support it here, breaking below, then we might see likely the price will coming down to 4160 range. The lowest likely to see at 4140. There's a potential of selling if it unable to support over here. However, if the price could support here and breaking above the resistance at 4200 and likely to reach the 4250 range again, we might see likely to see. So otherwise selling maybe persist. Here's the potentials of a range of technical buying and the potential range for this today's sessions. So our call for CPO market will be long positions may be open above 185 with the target set at 4212 to 4233 and the stop loss to set at 4165. Alternatively, short positions may be opened below 4185 with the targets to set at 4164 to 4140 and the stop loss to set at 4205. And next, we are shifting our focus to the index market updates. The overnight Dow Jones Cash Market Index closed 334 points to higher at 43487. That was a Friday closing. And US stock futures on Monday sessions rose at the evening sessions after the President Donald Trump was sworn in for his second term, flagging a new golden age for the US and signing several executive orders. Investors react positively, particularly to the absence of new tariff in the initial orders. The cash market, which was closed on yesterday for holiday, will resume trading by today evening sessions. Over in Malaysia, the FMKLCI ended higher on Monday, driven by the sustained buying in the index-linked stock, particularly Tenaga Nasional and Petronas Gas, supported by the positive performance in regional markets. FKI January month contracts however, dropped 4.5 points, closed lower at 1562.5. The FKI in the daily charts remain resisted at 1563 to 64 until in this morning sessions and is hovering at the bottoms of the downward channels and also in the support above the support line. In the short term, we remain to see opportunity for buyings if able to sustain strongly above 1563 to 64. So we see the crucial support at around 1558 to 1556. If the markets likely to sustain at 1563 to 64 and breaking above 1569 to 68, we might see the index likely to reaching 1572 levels. 72 to 75 range. So here is another resistance over years. And overall, in the daily chart, it still seems like the market is in the downward channels. potentials of technical buying. So here's our review for the markets, and we wrap up the session's analysis. Keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires both seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change, hold your capital, and trade wisely. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.